In the beginning, there was only the idea, and it resulted into a masterpiece designed for scientists,
Magical is the way I would describe the collaboration between IKA and Scripps. Roughly 3 years ago, when the head of IKA walked in this office, Rene Stiegelman, and he proposed to us the idea that maybe we should collaborate. They opened up a new site right down the road from our office, where synthetic organic chemists worked hand in hand with electrical engineers, software developers, to introduce a product that is tailor-made just for the audience that it seeks to serve, namely the people who are making new forms of matter, new organic compounds to serve humanity, whether it be in material science or in medicine or in agrochemicals.
Together with our industrial design team, hand drawings were turned into sketches and sketches were turned into cut drawings.
We wanted to cast this amazing idea into a shape to represent its excellence. Design for us is the language that mirrors our ideas of science, technology and quality. It reflects the passion with which our engineers created this incredible product.
Over 30,000 engineering hours went into the making of this product. Over the course of 2 years, we had several meetings with Phil and his lab team members, going over a product which should combine 3 products in one. We discussed mechanical, electronics and software requirements, the vials, electrodes and features ElectraSyn 2.0 should have, and brainstormed about solutions.
Our circuit boards are manufactured in-house in order to guarantee our high quality standards.
Preciseness and quality were a main focus when developing ElectraSyn 2.0.
At the end, every unit is manually checked and certified according to our quality standards.
We are very proud of our modern manufacturing capabilities.
Global reproducibility of electrochemistry is hindered by a lack of industry standards. ElectraSyn's standardized electrodes, cells, and circuits means that the chemistry you invent can be easily translated across the globe. Why be forced to buy another dedicated instrument just to learn the redox potential of your molecule? Cyclic voltammetry should be as commonplace as NMR. ElectraSyn now brings this valuable measurement to everyone. Different reaction size? Different cell type? Multiple reactions? How about just a stir plate? ElectraSyn is all of this and more. Plug-and-play modularity makes it a must-have for all fume hoods. Never run an electrochemical reaction, but curious? ElectraSyn has Smart Assist that will detect the electrical properties of your reaction solution and suggest the best conditions. For experts and beginners alike, the interface is intuitive and simple. No one knows stirring like IKA. Their patented Alnico magnet technology is embedded in every ElectraSyn. Your phone gets better over time with regular software updates. Why shouldn't your laboratory equipment? ElectraSyn will be supported and get better over time with new features and improvements, including crowdsourced settings for popular experiments. ElectraSyn is not just a pretty face. When your chemistry gets messy, the hardened, chemical-resistant, shatter-resistant surface won't let you down. ElectraSyn is the first all-inclusive device designed by and for synthetic organic chemists. Its beautiful industrial design beckons you to employ electrochemistry in your research. ElectraSyn has a full suite of connectivity, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB. With its multifaceted reaction and analysis capabilities, the IKA ElectraSyn app will allow for full control, monitoring, and handling of CV data generated. With ElectraSyn, lab equipment can finally be controlled with the one electronic gadget everyone owns, a smartphone. Whether down the hall to a friend's lab, across the street to a collaborator, or downtown to a demonstration at a local grade school, ElectraSyn is portable. ElectraSyn is designed and built to stand the test of time. Those are not just words. IKA stands by it with its industry-leading lifetime guarantee.